Hello, today I am going to show an overview of the latest version of Xubuntu and some of the applications pre-installed. Xubuntu is a community-developed operating system based on Ubuntu. It comes with the Xfce desktop environment, instead of Ubuntu's GNOME desktop environment. Xubuntu is perfect for those who want the most out of their desktops, laptops and netbooks with a modern look and enough features for efficient, daily usage. It works well on older hardware too. Xubuntu has enough applications pre-installed to deal with daily tasks without having to install additional software. Applications that are pre-installed include a web browser, a mail client, a word processor, a spreadsheet editor, applications to handle media like music, videos and photos, and many useful tools. When in need of more applications, games or tools, they can be installed from the package repositories via the Ubuntu Software Center. Xubuntu was originally intended to be released at the same time as Ubuntu 5.10 Breezy Badger, October 13, 2005, but the work was not complete by that date. Instead, the Xubuntu name was used for the Xubuntu desktop meta package available through the Synaptic Package Manager, which installed the Xfce desktop. The first official Xubuntu release, led by Johnny Monases, appeared on June 1, 2006, as part of the Ubuntu 6.06 Dapper Drake line, which also included Xubuntu and Xubuntu. Xubuntu uses systemd in its software and supports Btrfs, X3, X4, JFS, RicerFS and Xfce file systems. For package management, Xubuntu uses apt. Here you can see the commands to install software from the command line using the apt package manager. For self-contained applications, Xubuntu uses Snap. Xubuntu includes version 5.13.0 of the Linux kernel. Some of the default applications of this release of Xubuntu are GIMP, Firefox, Thunderbird, Transmission, Parole Media Player and LibreOffice. Please feel free to tell me what you think of the latest release of Xubuntu in the comments section. Thank you for watching the video and please help the channel by sharing, leaving a like and subscribing.